dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee ammaano boarding and day.
alxamdulillahi rabbil caalamiin salaatu wasalaamu calaa rasuulillah ama bacdu assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu. Physics from 3 we started lesson 3. So okay, so lesson 3 we started image formation of convex lens. Image formation of convex lens. Okay, before we started we talk about before we started image formation of convex lens. We already studied the rules of construction of convex lens. So the first rule was, okay, for example, this is a convex lens. This is a convex lens. So first rule was a ray that parallel to the principal axis. A ray that parallel to the principal axis. Oh, here is a focus, and also here is focus, and also here is double focus or center of curvature. A ray that parallel to the principal axis, it refracts and passes through the center and passes through the focus. A ray that parallel to the principal axis is refracted by the lens and it passes through the focus. That's first rule. The second rule was here is a focus and also here is a focus. Okay, here is double focus. Okay, a ray that passes through the center of lens. A ray that passes through the center of lens, or ray that strikes the lens at 90 degrees, it does not refract. Okay, that's the two rules. That's the two rules we use. Okay, and okay, image formed by convex lens. Image formed by convex lens. Image formed by convex lens. Okay, first image formed by convex lens when the object is placed beyond 2f. When object is placed beyond 2f, it's similar to the concave. It's similar to the spherical mirrors. Okay, the image formation of spherical mirrors. So when the object is placed beyond the 2f, okay, we take that arrow. The object. So this is the object. We take that arrow, the object. So we take where is the ray? A ray that parallel to the principal axis. A ray that parallel to the principal axis. It passes through the focus after refraction. It passes through the focus after the refraction. Okay, and also a ray that passes through the center of lens. It does not refract. A ray that passes through the center of lens does not refract. Where the two rays intersect. They intersect between focus and the center of curvature. Between the focus and the center of curvature. So the image forms here. Okay, that's the image. That arrow represents the image. Okay, so the properties of this image. Image forms between f and 2f. Image forms between f and 2f. Okay, and also it is inverted. And also it is smaller or diminished. So object and image which is near the lens is smaller. Which is near the lens is smaller. Okay, so now object image is near the lens, so it becomes smaller. Okay, it becomes smaller and also real. So if the image forms this side of lens, if it forms this side of lens, it becomes real. But if it forms this side of lens, it becomes virtual. Okay, what is used this image formation? What's used? So this image formation is used by human eye and also used by the camera. This image formation used by human eye and also camera. Okay, the next image formation. Okay, when the object is so previously we placed the object beyond 2f. Now we placed the object at 2f. Now we placed the object at 2f. Okay, when the object is placed at 2f, when object is so that arrow represents the object. Okay, the first ray, a ray that parallel to the principal axis, a ray that parallel to the principal axis. It passes through the focus after the refraction. It passes through the focus after the refraction. It passes through the focus after the refraction. Okay, and another ray, we take another ray. And also we take another ray, a ray that passes through the center of lens. A ray that passes through the center of lens, it does not refract. Okay, now where the two rays intersect, so the two rays, they intersect at 2f. Okay, now when object is placed at 2f, image forms at 2f. So the properties of that image is formed at 2f. Okay, it is inverted, same size to object. So the image and object are same distance the lens. Okay, it is same size to object. Okay, it is real because it formed these parts of lens. Okay, this image formation used by photocopier making same sized image. The same sized image. Okay, and okay, and the third one, or the third image formation, is when the object is placed between f and 2f. When the object is between f and 2f. Okay, where the image forms. Okay, when the object is placed between 2f and f. Okay, this is the object. That arrow represents object. So we take the first ray, a ray that parallel to the principal axis. A ray that parallel to our principal axis is refracted by the lens and passes through the focus, and it passes through the focus. Okay, we take another ray. Okay, it passes through the focus, and also we take another ray, a ray that passes through the center. A ray that passes through the center of lens does not refract. Where these two rays intersect, they intersect beyond 2f. So image forms beyond 2f. Okay, so properties of that image formed beyond 2f. It forms beyond 2f, or beyond the center of curvature. Also, it is inverted. Also, it is larger or magnified because of it varies the lens. It is a real. Okay, this image formation used by projectors and also photographers to produce large image. Okay, the fourth one is when object is placed at f. When the object is placed at f, where the image forms. Okay, where is f? F is a focus. When the object is placed at F, where the image forms. When the object is placed a ray that parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. And also, okay, a ray that parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. And also a ray that passes through the center of lens, it does not refract. So these two rays, they do not intersect. So this image forms infinity. It forms infinity. Okay, it forms infinity. Okay, properties of this image, it forms at infinity. It is a real. Also, it is highly magnified. It is inverted. So this image formation used to produce parallel beam of light, spotlights. Okay, the 5-1, when the object is placed between F and the lens. When the object is placed between F and the lens. Okay, when the object is placed between F or a focus and lens. Okay, a ray that parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus after refraction. And also a ray that passes through the center of lens, it does not refract. Okay, so these two rays, they do not intersect. Okay, but when this ray extended backward and also this ray extended backward, where they are appear to intersect, image forms. So this image is a virtual. So properties of this image, it is same side the object. So object and image are same side. Okay, it is upright. Okay, larger or magnified. Okay, it's a virtual. So this image formation used by the magnifying glass. Okay, the last one is infinity. When the object is infinity. Okay, infinity. When the object is infinity. For example, the rays of light. Okay, when the object is at infinity. So this is infinity rays. When the object is at infinity. Okay, a ray that parallel to the principal axis, it refracts and passes through the focus. And also this ray passes through the focus where they intersect, image forms. So when infinity rays enters this lens, it converges at focus. Okay, so properties of this image formed at F. Okay, it is inverted, smaller or diminished. Okay, it's real. This image formation used by telescope.